Your ace in the hole, so to speak, is the strength of America's economy. Yeah. And the Atlanta Fed has just raised its forecast for the July through September period to a 4.6% annualized growth rate. Now, I know they shift frequently. They shift that forecast around. But you think we're going to get something like that? I know you're loath to predict growth rates in the future, but we're often running at 4.1% in the second quarter. You think we're going to follow that up with another 4% quarter?
What I'll say is, Stu, it's quite possible, as the Atlanta Fed is charting. I mean, look, Stu, think of this. My view, the single biggest news story this year, okay, the single biggest news story this year is an economic boom, which most folks thought was impossible. That's the headline story for the whole country. 155 million people working, low unemployment rates. We're now entering the front end of a big investment boom in CapEx. It's spreading across the board. That's the story. It's a growth story, and we are becoming growthier. We are becoming growthier as time goes on.
Larry, there is no such word as growthier, and you know it.
I snuck it into the Washington Post op-ed page.
It's like impactful. There is no such word, Larry. You know that.
But I'm just saying, Stu, look, the boom that folks thought impossible is the story. America today is just crushing it everywhere.
And you would not be surprised at a 4.5% growth rate in the July through September period. Can we put it like that?
I would not be surprised. No, I can't make that flat-out forecast. But yes, judges from the Atlanta Fed. By the way, other forecasters in the private sector are looking at equally high numbers. And Stu, I know it's unfashionable. Lord help us. President Donald Trump has changed policies, lowering tax rates, rolling back regulations, opening up energy, trade reform. He's given the economy new life. He's given the economy new incentives, and people are responding to that. We're not punishing success. We're not fighting business anymore. He is looking after the workforce, whether it's manufacturing or agriculture. You see what I'm saying?
Yes,
we've had a sea change in policies and a sea change in attitude. And the confidence numbers show what this boom is looking like. Small business, large business, consumer sentiment. This has been going on for a while, and the stock market, as you noted at the top of the show.
I mean, we have a fantastic bull run, and we're record highs almost across the board. What stops it? Do you see anything on the horizon which would stop it? Like a flare-up in the trade deal with China? That would stop it, wouldn't it?
I don't know. I hate what-ifs. I mean, look, these things don't go on forever. It's a cycle. I'm a believer in buying stocks for the long run because I'm a believer in owning America for the long run. I'm a Jeremy Siegel disciple, okay? So we can go down, you know, that's investment strategy. Shocks to the system, we'll wait and see. President Trump is very much aware of the importance of confidence, and he's very much aware that these trade discussions have an impact on the confidence barometers and the stock market. So I don't know how to answer your question. You know, here's my thought. Try this. Let's go to the other side of this coin. How about this? They said we couldn't do a deal with Mexico. We've done one. They said we couldn't possibly have a sane conversation about free trade with the European Union. We are. We are also conversing with Japan and Australia over on the Pacific side in earnest, looking for possible trade deals over there. I can't predict China. We may get a deal with Canada, we may not. Here's my point. I think the trade news is basically, if you look at the continuum, more good news. It's more good news. Okay. President's negotiating style, his strength, his backbone, his protection of America, it's working. It's working. It's like the other policies on taxes and regs. So you may have upside surprises, too. I understand you could have a downside, but you may have upside surprises as the economy outperforms, and we move to a Trumpian, you know, no tariffs, no non-tariff barriers, No subsidies, trade reform. Think of that, an upside surprise.
Larry,
just saying, just saying.
I know you're just saying, but you are whetting the appetite of this audience, and we've got another 2 hours and 45 minutes to go. We can extrapolate on what you've had to say.
My schedule's clear, Stu. You know, anytime, just call me.
Yes, mine isn't. By the way, Larry, I think you may have moved the market. When we started to talk, futures showed a gain of 40-odd points. Now we're going to be up about 70-odd points. Congratulations, Mr. Kudlow. You did it.
Thank you, Stu. Appreciate it,
See you
as
soon,
always.
sir. Thank you, sir.